Hi moms, welcome to checking out this community that is committed to living life on our terms and to the fullest. I am a St. Louis mom of 2 kiddos under the age of 2 years old and on a journey to become financially free, working from home and raising strong, independent, and entrepreneurship leaders. So my chapter began when I had my firstborn and I ran a successful wedding photography business. And once I had my daughter, I realized I wanted to be home with her. I wanted to raise her. Shortly after, I had another child, a son, and they are about 18 months apart and both under the age of 2. So my why, I want to be there for them while they are young and to give them a solid foundation. So in order to stay at home, I must work from home. I want to contribute to my family's financial foundation as well. So knowing the full-time career options outside the home, not to mention the financial, emotional, and developmental costs of sending my kids to daycare, I decided taking ownership of my future through a stay-at-home, internet-based business, and that is the only path for me. So this choice is also giving my children an example of the power to follow dreams and the value of entrepreneurship. So let me holler and recognize, I know growing a business with kiddos under 5 years old is challenging. Finding the time to work with multiple kiddos running around, screaming, it seems impossible, especially when you are doing it mostly on your own. But first, I'm going to get really serious with you. I need you to grab a pen and paper. I want you to write something down. What is holding your passion, that thing you're really passionate about? What is holding you back from creating a lifestyle and a life of ultimate success for yourself? I want you to take a deep breath and write that down. I'm being serious, please. Pause the video if you need more time. Is it that you feel like you can't get in front of the right people? You don't have the right tools, don't know where to start, don't have something to sell, don't have people to sell to? Is it that you're afraid that it won't work? What is that one thing that is holding you back? So all of those feelings and emotions are completely normal. And now I want you to ask yourself, do I want to finally overcome it? The question isn't, do you have enough time? The question is, how are you using the time you have? So my tips as a mom: wake earlier when they are sleeping, work when they are napping or sleeping, work while you are nursing, work when they go to bed. If your kids are older, work while they do quiet time in their room. Time block when you work. So let me validate you. Yes, being a working stay-at-home mom is challenging and it will be a hustle. My mantra: no excuses, just results. I want you to hear, I am in on this adventure with you. The biggest factor of your success is simply you getting up and making progress each and every day. What you need to succeed: a computer, a phone, and hustle. It takes serious hustle, determination, and a willingness to get outside of your comfort zone to reach your goals. So after squashing my fears and doubts, next was finding a career that would give me the income my family needed. I scoured the corners of the internet to find work from home opportunities that were out there. Legitimate ways to earn income. I endlessly browsed how to make income online without having to live online. I felt overwhelmed and confused with seeing the hundreds of options. Usually, our minds, they head to customer service. But there is something we are overlooking: our own potential, our knowledge, our interests, because you know these areas and you are an expert. You are an expert in what you have experienced, what you have learned. That is your niche. Have faith to use your expertise and help the world. You can create a business around your strengths and learn skills as you go. You can get paid for your expertise. You don't need to be paid pennies and compete against thousands of other people for jobs. So what's the impact that you want to have? Who do you want to serve? You're here because you are an entrepreneur, or you have that entrepreneurship personality type. So who do you want to help? Who is it that you're trying to serve in life? And what is your passion? So with encouragement from my husband, I signed up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. In those 30 days, I learned more knowledge of marketing than I ever have in my life. With a combination of years of marketing my own business and taking this master's course, I have learned how to leverage my skills and experience for both local and national businesses to create innovative marketing plans that deliver real results. During the course, I realized that ClickFunnels was my missing piece when I operated my wedding photography business. With this design, the pages are created to convert customers and/or clients. The pages take the sales process from in-person and transfer that to online. The system allows me to not have to physically be at my storefront. This reliable marketing and sales system makes life easier. ClickFunnels was created to free entrepreneurs to focus on what are the lead generating tasks that only they can do and help them scale their business. That is exciting. So while being in the One Funnel Away Challenge, I learned how to create a marketing team to help me leverage my skills and experience to help local businesses. So working part-time as a stay-at-home mom with 2 young children is a challenge because my time is limited. So it's with ClickFunnels that it's possible for me to have the systems and team to be efficient with my time. So starting to work with ClickFunnels, I was reminded of my why and that I have skills I can leverage. I was reminded of the lifestyle I want to create, to be raising my children, to be able to homeschool them, travel the world making memories with them, and most importantly, to model entrepreneurship to my children. I was reminded that I have years of marketing skills in website designing, social media management, strategy, business goals, and brand and content consistency. Follow me on my journey to changing lives of our kids, ourselves, and the community you are wanting to serve. Working with the Murray Media community, you will learn how to have your business run for you. It's time to leverage our businesses and take back our families. Join me and other mom entrepreneurs who are on this journey of earning income for our families, turning our knowledge into wealth, and impacting the lives of thousands. Change your perspective and change your legacy.